Okay, I got some new hood struts for the Mercury Marauder. This is my 2003 Mercury Marauder. Going back on the road real soon. Absolutely filthy. Let's get this car cleaned up. Let's put these hood struts in. Okay, let's clean this car up. Oh, so much crap comes off the trees, it's not even funny. We'll get this cleaned up, and then let's get these hood struts replaced. Tired of opening the hood and having it slam down on my head. So these are the hood struts I'm going to put on. Strong arm. I got them from Rock Auto. They're either $7.99 or $10.99, I don't remember. Anyway, they're very inexpensive. They're made in Turkey. I've already got one installed over there. I didn't show that because I thought it might be an ordeal. It's actually really a joke. So I'm going to do this one now, and you'll see how easy it is. I won't even need my wooden prop rod anymore. One strut is actually enough to hold this hood up now, so it's good. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, so the only thing I got to do is I got a little tiny screwdriver. I got to pop off these little clips. A little harder to get at on this side, of course. Let's see if I can pop this clip off. Okay, it wants to come off. One little clip. Won't be needing that anymore because the new ones has the clips built in and they're all loaded. All you got to do is press and snap it in. See if we can get this other one off. There's the second clip. And I should be able to literally just pull these off. There we go. Okay. My redneck prop rod is holding things up along with the new strut. Let's get these on. So again, just going to line the hole up with the peg. The clip is already there. Should just be a matter of pushing this in. Going on here. Let's try the top one. Okay, well that went in real easy. Hello. Oh, I got them backwards. Hello. Okay, lift up on this a bit. When you get the orientation right, it goes that much better. So let's just see how this feels now. Oh gosh, where this used to fall on my head. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, that's it. Easy fix. $20 from Rock Auto, and you're all set. And you don't need a redneck prop rod.